Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the stock market and option volatility report. Reminder: this is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. So it starts today. The sale is on. Everything in our store is 50% off. You go to optionpit.com, click on courses, and there it is. All of these. Now, it's not going to say it right here. It's going to reflect when you purchase the course. But everything is half off. So if you've been thinking about learning to trade calendar spreads, or learning about the condor or butterflies, or even our super duper Option Pit masterclass income trading or volatility trading, then here's your opportunity. So take advantage of this incredible sale that is going to end end Monday. So now's your chance. Speaking of now's your chance, the S&P's up 15. To me, this looks a lot like a bit of a dead cat bounce. Let me pull up a chart here of the S&P. I don't see any awesome news to pull us out of this. I haven't seen any. There's a Fed rumor. I think we're going to need some real Fed language in order to, I think, change things up. We're now well below the 200-day moving average. Well below the 200-day moving average. The last couple of days have just been an utter punch in the face to the stock market as a whole. Now, it's Thanksgiving, running into a slow week. Could we see, some sort of, a little bit of a dead cat bouncy type day today? Yes. But my gut says that the market fades this move. Apple's off $12, more than that. In the last 2 days, Apple is off, almost $15, and it's only up $1 on that recovery. Amazon at least has some recovery, but looks soft. The only stuff that really looks strong is, Deere's up big. They had earnings this morning, and they're having a huge move on earnings. Caterpillar also looking stronger. And Facebook continues to want to at least try to make a rally. But as a whole, the market just looks kind of terrible. And I don't see a lot to love. I'm looking at names like Microsoft that probably are, a baby out with the bathwater type name. I think if I was going to own any of those kind of high-flying tech names, I'd be all over Microsoft. This is one of the ones that I would be looking at today and building a trade. I will be looking at VIX trades today. It is VIX expiration. It is VIX expiration, but I don't think we're going to see anything really crazy out of that. I'll be interested to see what the print looks like. But I want to continue to point out the VXN, and maybe this is a good sign, right? VXN, the VIX of the NASDAQ 100, had really been the mover and the shaker, and it is losing a lot more than the S&P today. And I think if I was going to be, I would have liked to see it, it topped over 30 yesterday and looked really ugly at the end of October. So, as bad as everything is, maybe we're starting to see things start, a couple of red candles in a row. And we're starting to see a couple red candles in a row. It's down more than VIX. Maybe you see that as a bright spot. It's actually moving up decently. I don't know. I think I need to see the NDX or the Qs really make a concerted run higher. And Apple is kind of a proxy for the market. Apple is being sold for redemptions in other places. That's kind of what's going on here. And, until I see an actual surge higher, in the Qs, like some sort of real run at its 200-day moving average again, back to 173. I don't know. I think we're going to need some pretty conciliatory language from the Federal Reserve. I don't think we're going to see anything out of the G20. So my point being is that it's a low volume day. It'd be very easy for things to sell off. I am not trusting the green that I'm seeing in front of me. In order to really trust the green, I would need us to make a run higher north of 40, north of up 30, and I just don't think we're going to get that. VIX is still extremely backward. December is flat with Jan and Feb, but the cash is way over. It's a little bit of December seasonality. They're still pricing December to come in soft. They are, but I'm not sure we're going to get that. So in chat today, we will probably look at some trades involving vol where we're hedged. So maybe like a long VXX long market or long VIX long market. All right, folks. Again, make sure you head to the Option Pit store to optionpit.com and then click on courses, and you can get your opportunity to get 50% off anything in our store. We only do this once a year. It's a pretty darn good deal. So have at it. All right, everybody. Hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.